So we had that major windstorm, which took out our tree, took out the neighbor's tree, which took out the power line all there. So that side of the street has no power right now at all. We just got our power back last night, finally, after over a day and a half. They're putting a new pole in over there, so it's going on 2 days, I think. Yeah, almost 2 days now without power for them. We had a day and a half without power and lost hundreds of trees in our city. It was just crazy. This was crazy windstorm. We've never had anything like this before. So yeah, there's a new pole going in there, and it's pretty crazy. Yeah, we've never had weather like this. I don't even know how fast the gusts were, but I heard 65 miles an hour to 80. I don't know. It was nuts. It was so nuts.